In front of me is INFINIX Note 60, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by opening System Apps folder that's already on your INFINIX and hitting Recorder app. Now, before starting, make sure to click on this gear at the top right corner and adjust those options, like file format. When you're done, go back and use red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use middle button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. To discard it right away, click on this X at the top right corner, and to end it and save it, this checkmark at the bottom one. As you can see, after a few seconds, my recording was successfully created. Now, you can tap on it to listen to it and manage it by clicking on this icon at the top right corner to see summary. Hit agree, pick your language and tap on generate note. Then tap on allow and wait for it. You can use this button here to share your recording. You can manage tags by adding them as you listen and also deleting them here. Or you can go back, hold your recording and manage it using those options to, for example, rename it or get rid of it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!